Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here we have some specific angles, that is chapter 8 trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Sir, what are the specific angles now? Some specific angles of trigonometric ratios, that is 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Dear children, you know very well how to construct the 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 and 90 degrees. In the previous class already have learned about these are all the specific angles to construct. Now here we are going to find out the values of sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90 degrees. So including 0 also. How to find out the first one, sine. Here how many trigonometric ratios we have? The total trigonometric ratios are 6 ratios are there. For the 6 ratios we have to find out the values. First one we have to find out the sine, it is here. That's why I am going to write this is sine values are just once verify here it is. These are the 0, 30 degrees, 45, 60, 90. 5 values are there. For the 5 values I am going to take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we are coming, you have to divide this one, all the 4 values you have to divide the 4 divided by 4, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 means 1, 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, 1 by 0 by 4 means 0, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 and 1. For all the 5 values you have to apply the square root. Square root of 0, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 1 by 2 and square root of 3 by 4, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 1. Tell me now what is the square root of 0 means? Square root of 0 means 0 it is. And 1 by 4 means 1 by 2, square root of 1 by root 2 means 1 by root 1. It is 1 by 2 means square root of 1 by 2 is therefore 1 by square root of 2. Here square root of 3 by 2 and 1. These are the 5 values of sine. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 3 by 2, 1. 0 is the sine 0 value. Now I am writing here 0, first one, and next 1 by 2, here 30 degrees, and 1 by root 2, 45 degrees, and root 3 by 2, 60 degrees, and 1 is the sine 9. These are the 5 values are sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Then we have to write down these 5 values, we have to write down the alternate. Alternate means sine 90 value. Sine 90 value, how much it is sine 90 on that? We have to write here cos. Next root 3 by. Next root 3 by. 1 by root 1 by 0. That means we have to write reverse order we have to write. That is called, we are going to get the cos values. Sine by cos means tan. Tan means what I have told you before. Tan value. Tan suppose tan A equal to what? Sine A by cos. So here it is a tan, first one, what is the degree? 0 degrees. Tan 0 degrees. Tan 0 degrees means sine 0 degrees by cos 0 degrees. So sine 0 degrees, what is the sine 0 degrees now? Sine 0 degrees means 0. 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means what? 0. Therefore tan 0 degrees equals to 0. Tan means sine by 0, sine by cos. Then tan 0 degrees means sine 0 degrees by cos 0 by 1 equals to 0. Therefore, tan 0 degrees equals to 1. Here it is there. Tan means sine by cos. So 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means 0. 0 by 1 means 0. Next, tan 30. Sine 30 by cos 30. That means 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Denominator is 1 by 2. Next, tan 45 also. Tan 45 means sine 45 by cos 45. Root 2 get cancelled 1. Tan 60, sine 60 by cos 60. 2 get cancelled, root 3 by 1 means root 3 1. Next, tan 90, sine 90 by cos 90. 1 by 0 means not defined. Then we have to write the cosecant next. When we are coming to the cosecant, so just I am going to write one more value, that is cosecant means what is the reciprocal of sine, that is. Therefore, I am writing here cosecant. Cosecant 0 degrees. So otherwise you write cosecant A. Cosecant A equal 1 by sine A. So here is the cosecant fourth one. Cosecant, what is the first degree? Cosecant 0 degrees. Cosecant 0 degrees equals to 1 by sin A, 1 by sin 0 degrees. 1 by sin 0 degrees, how much value it is? 0. 1 by 0 means what it is? Not defined. It is not defined. That's why we are going to write it is a not defined value. It is not defined. That means cosecant 0 means 1 by sin 0. Cosecant again, suppose you write down next, what is that? Cosecant 30, 1 by sin 30. 1 by sin 30 means suppose cosecant 30 next time. Cosecant 30. 1 by sin 30. Sorry, 1 by sin 30 degrees. Tell me 1 by sin 30 degrees value, what is the sin 30? 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 means 2 we are doing. Reciprocal, sir. Reciprocal of sine we have to write. Here is a 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3. 2 by 2 by root 3. Then next 1 by 1 cosecant 1 by 1. What is that? This is the 1 by 1 by 2. These are the cosecant. Even secant also 1 by cos. This is the secant is the reciprocal of cos. That's why 1 by cos. 1 by cos means 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1 it is. Next 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 means root 2. 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by 0 means not defined. This is not defined. Cot means it is a reciprocal of tan. Where is the tan? Here it is. Cot means 1 by tan, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means what? Not defined. Not defined. 1 by 1 by root 3. 1 by 1, 1 by root 3. Right? So here it is the, what is this one? 1 equals to 1 by not defined. 1 by infinity means what is it? 1 by here it is. Cot means 1 by tan. 1 by tan means 1 by, this is how much we are going to get? It is the 0. Therefore, these are the trigonometric values of some specific angles. What are the specific angles? That is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 and 90. So this is the sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Like that only cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90. Next tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60, tan 90. Like that remaining also cosecant, secant and cot. So once you have to read and find out all the angles, then tomorrow we will continue the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.